Some plants are so reliable and rewarding, you'll wish you planted them sooner. In this video, we're sharing 10 perennials that gardeners often regret not planting earlier. If you want long-lasting beauty with minimal effort, don't miss this list. Coneflowers are tough, drought-tolerant, and attract pollinators. They return reliably year after year with minimal care. These bright, cheerful flowers spread naturally and bloom generously. They're perfect for filling garden beds quickly. Hostas create lush foliage in shaded areas. As they mature, they become fuller and more dramatic. Lavender offers fragrance, beauty, and low maintenance. With proper pruning, it grows bushier each year. Sedum thrives in poor soil and dry conditions. It expands steadily and adds structure late in the season. Russian sage produces airy purple blooms and silvery foliage. It becomes more impressive every year in sunny gardens. Ornamental grasses add movement and texture with almost no care. Many varieties form larger clumps each season. Shasta daisies return every spring with bright, classic flowers. They spread slowly and reliably over time. Peonies are long-lived perennials that grow stronger every year. Once established, they reward gardeners with large, stunning blooms for decades. Daylilies are incredibly adaptable and easy to grow. They multiply over time and provide dependable color every season. These perennials prove that the right plants only get better with time. Subscribe for more smart planting ideas and long-lasting garden inspiration.